We are. That's all right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Beat, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make homemade peach cobbler ice cream. Let's get started. For this recipe, y'all, I saw this two different ways. We're gonna do the more homemade way, and then we're gonna do the quick and easy if you have a kid, or if you're just lazy, if you're me, we'll do that way second. But let's start off with 3 fresh peaches. If it is not peach season when you're watching this video, you can use frozen, you can use canned, but we doing authentic, real peaches. Let's get it. I'm just gonna cut the peaches up into little squares. They don't have to be that perfect, y'all. We're gonna end up mushing them up anyway. So for example, these pieces are not the same, but we're gonna end up, you know, squishing and mashing for the ice cream, so it's fine. You want to make them sort of kind of uniform, but it's not serious for it to be exactly the same. We're gonna take a half a stick of country crock plant butter, which equals to 1/4 of a cup. Boom. Throw that on in the pan, followed by our peaches. Okay, I'll be back when the butter is melted. All right, butter is melted. We're gonna add in some vanilla extract, just a teaspoon, y'all. Next, I'm gonna add in some apple pie spice. This is just cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice mixed together. So if you have those individually, it'll do the same thing. This is just already mixed up. Next, we're going in with a half a cup of white sugar. Actually, let's do 1/4 a cup of white sugar. Y'all know I'm not big on sugar like that. So 1/4 a cup of white sugar and 1/4 a cup of brown sugar. Just mix everything up. Next, I'm gonna add okay, that's all right. It didn't hit the floor. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a ripe lemon. This is about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Oh, caught the seed. Hold it in my hand like this to catch any other seeds. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit extra. I'm not sure that was a full tablespoon of juice that came out, so just add a little bit extra. So you judge for yourself. All right, that should do it. Alright, I'm gonna turn my stove down to low and let this continue to cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, it has been 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stove off. I'm gonna let it cool for probably about 30 minutes, basically until it stops steaming, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge to continue cooling for at least an hour. But of course, I'll let you guys know how long it takes to officially cool off. Alright, we're gonna make our pie crust for our ice cream. So I did 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Here is the brand I use. Let's do 1/4 a cup of white sugar and 1/4 a cup of brown sugar. We won't use all of this crust. This is just to give some extra crumble topping. This is not a skinny girl recipe at all. Now we're gonna put in a whole stick of cold butter. Again, y'all, I know y'all like, girl, good grief, this is a lot of calories. I know. It's just, we making it homemade, okay? So we gotta go diabetical before we go healthy, and then we can always cut back. Like I said, we don't have to use all of this in our peach cobbler ice cream. You can also just use store-bought pie crust as well. I thought about doing that, but since I said homemade, I said, well, we going homemade. But this is, ooh, and I'm being messy. This is not how you make a pie crust. This is just gonna give us like some crispy pieces of flour to put into the ice cream. So please don't, this is not a pie crust. Ain't no baking soda, baking powder, there's no buttermilk. No, this we are not making a pie crust. This is gonna make us a nice crisp to put into our ice cream. You want a nice crumble, kind of like sand. I forgot to add the cinnamon. It's not too late. I'm just saying I forgot to add it. Do that. Oh, you know, just go ahead and use the whole thing. That's about a whole teaspoon going in there. Okay, y'all, sorry, I'm my phone died, so I had to put it on the charger, but I'm inside my mom's house, so your mixture should look like sand. So now we're gonna dump it on some, I'm gonna use a silky mat, but if you have parchment paper, you're gonna dump it on your parchment paper. My oven is preheated to 350, so let's bake it for about 15 minutes. As of right now, time of filming, the peaches have been in the fridge for 1 hour. But yeah, let's go ahead and make the ice cream part. The reason I'm nervous is I didn't really see a vegan version of this. I saw the omnivore version. So we're going to hope that it works. If not, I got a backup. I do. I got a backup. But let's go ahead and tilt the camera. Let's make this ice cream. Amen. Amen. We're gonna use this entire container of sweetened condensed coconut milk. I got it from Walmart, as well as the entire container of Silk Heavy whipping cream. Got this from Sprouts, on sale. Don't play with it. Okay, most people I saw who did this had a mixer. I do not. I have a food processor, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on low. Actually, hold on. It's an ice cream button. It's an ice cream button. Y'all can't see it, but boom, that's the ice cream. Let's do that. So really, it's just pulsing. I wanted to be more impressed, but I'm not. But anyway. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in the condensed milk. Go ahead and put it back on ice cream. Gonna go ahead and put in some vanilla extract, a capful. Throw that in there. And some more of this apple pie seasoning. Again, this is just cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice kind of mixed up together. Just a little bit in here. Close it, and we're gonna hit it back with the ice cream. But if you don't have the ice cream button, obviously you just put it on pulse. All right, let's pour it out. Oh, it's thick. Okay, I think it works. It's kind of thick. I am screaming for no reason. I apologize. Okay. Oh, I guess I should have tasted it. Let's do that. Oh, snap. Oh yeah, we made ice cream. 2-ingredient ice cream. Oh, snap. All right, so let's go ahead and combine everything. We have our apple crisp, our peaches, and our ice cream. I'm gonna go ahead and mash up our peach slices. You can do this before it gets cold, but I just decided to wait because baby, didn't want to deal with hot peaches. So just mashing these up so that you can get some peaches in every bite. Apple crisp into our ice cream. We're gonna mix this in, of course. Y'all, this is fat girl dream. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I'm kind of draining it a little bit. Again, I told you guys it's going to be a lot of, we might not use all this sugar stuff. So I'm kind of draining it. Maybe we can use the excess for like a drizzle afterwards. Mix this in. Okay. More apple crisp. I'm just kind of, you know, looking at it and estimating. Okay, so I think I'm good on the crisp. So the rest of this will be toppings or feeding the birds. And let me get some more peaches. Again, I'm not really big on that syrup. Alright, and I'm good with that. So the rest will be toppings. So this is all mixed into our ice cream. Okay. So now, because y'all know we got to make it pretty, sprinkle the top with the crumble. And also sprinkle the top with more peaches. Oh my gosh. We did, y'all. And there we have it before we put it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. So I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. Alright y'all, it is the next day. I just took the ice cream out of the freezer. I haven't unwrapped it yet because I want to do that with you guys even though this is not live. But from the bottom, this ice cream does not feel hard. I don't know if it's my freezer, but let's go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and see. I'm excited. Oh, it messed up the pretty decoration, but it's okay. It's on the aluminum foil. You see that? Look, it's giving me peach cobbler pudding, which is, hey, not the worst thing. Let's go ahead and scoop some into the bowl and taste test. Oh, I should have got a smaller bowl. It's gonna be everything on the, it's gonna be all the ice cream. Okay, I should have got a smaller bowl. This'll do. Alright y'all, I did put some crumbles on the side just to fill out the plate a little bit more. But here's what y'all all care about, the taste test. What does it taste like? Like, oh my god, I feel like, wait, hold on, I feel like y'all didn't really get into the bowl because my camera ain't focusing like it's supposed to focus. Hold on, let me tilt this so y'all can really get into it before I get into it. Hey, come on. Yes! Oh, I'm so excited. It's giving melted ice cream. Baby, the diabetes. I mean, it's listen. Okay, I'm gonna come back to talk. I had to finish chewing. Y'all, I'm not gonna finish this bowl. I would gain 5 pounds immediately. It's so delicious. I am actually not a fan of hot peach cobbler and cold ice cream, but this combination, I understand why people like the flavor of that. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to take another bite. Y'all make this. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more bite. I mean, that's it. That's it. Y'all, I forgot to close out the video. So, as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.